Hello students, welcome in class 9. Today I am going to teach you lesson number 2, polynomials. But before moving further, let us revise few terms. In previous years, you had learned about the algebraic expression. So, what is algebraic expression? When a statement is represented using the constant and the variable, it is known as the algebraic expression. Now suppose 2x. Here 2x I have written, where the number part, it is known as the constant and the x is known as the variable. Means any alphabet you can use as a variable. So this is an algebraic expression. Here I am writing few algebraic expression. So here I have written few algebraic expression. Observe the exponent of the each expression. Here what is the exponent? It is 1. Here what is the exponent? Variable's exponent is 2. Here it is 1. Here it is 2. Here nothing but 1. All these exponents are the whole numbers. So these algebraic expression is known as the polynomial. Now if you observe the variable, here what is the variable? X. In this example, the variable is t, and in this example, the variable is x. Means in each example, the single variable is used. So this is known as a polynomial in one variable. Now there are different types of the polynomials depending on the terms. Each polynomial is having the term. Now in this, it contains only one term. When a polynomial contains only one term, it is known as monomial. Now here 21t square and 5t. It contains two terms, so it is known as binomial. Now here if you observe, this is first term, this is second term and this is third term. So when a polynomial contains three terms, it is known as a trinomial. So these are the types of the polynomials. But one thing you should remember, that every time the polynomial should have the variable with a exponent as a whole number. Degree of a polynomial. What is degree of a polynomial? The highest power of the variable in a polynomial is known as a degree of a polynomial. Now here, what is the highest degree of the variable? 5. So what is the degree of this polynomial? 5. Now in the second example, what is the highest power of the polynomial? So here it is 2, 3, 8. Which is the highest? 8 is the highest. So what is degree of this polynomial? It is 8. Now come to this example. Here it is 2. Only constant has written. Here no variable. But whenever variable is not there, there will be variable with the power 0. So what is the degree of this polynomial? Why 0 I have written? Because any number raised to power 0 is 1. Means 2 into 1 is equals to 2. So now, what is the degree of this polynomial? It is 0. Let us solve exercise 2.1, question number 1. Which of the following expressions are polynomials in one which are not? State the reason for your answer. Now see the first example. 4x square minus 3x plus 7. Now here, first you should see whether it is a single variable. It is a same variable is used, it is a single variable. Now you should observe the exponent of the variable. It is 2, means it is a whole number. Here nothing is there, means 1 is there. It is a whole number. So it is a polynomial. Next example, y square plus root 2. So this is a variable. What is its power? It is 2, which is a whole number. And only single variable is used. So it is a polynomial with a single means one variable. Next example, 3 root t plus t root 2. Now this variable, it is having a power 1. But come to this variable, root t. Root t means what? T raised to 1 upon 2, which is not a whole number. So it is not a polynomial. Fourth example, y plus 2 upon y. Now here the power is 1, but 2 upon y. As per the exponent rules, when this y will come to the numerator place, the power will become y raised to minus 1. It is not a whole number. So it is not a polynomial. Next example, x raised to 10 plus y raised to 3 plus p raised to 50. It is a polynomial because these are the whole number. But what is our condition? One variable. Here 3 variables are used. So it is not a polynomial in one variable. Question number 2. Write the coefficients of x square in each of the following. Coefficient of x square means the x square is multiplied by with which constant that we have to observe. Now in this example, 2 plus x square plus x. Where is the x square? This is the x square. Now which is the constant here? Nothing else written means it will be 1. So what is the coefficient of x square here? 1. Coming to the next example. 2 minus x square plus x cube. Now here is the x square. Nothing is there means which constant here? 1. But along with the sign you should write the answer, that is minus 1. Third example, pi upon 2x square plus x. So here is your x square. So what is the coefficient? With whom it is multiplied? Pi upon 2. So what is the coefficient of x square here? Pi upon 2. Next, root 2x minus 1. Now here x square is not there. Means with whom it should be multiplied? It is 0. Question number 3. Give an example each of a binomial of degree 35 and of a monomial of degree 100. Now binomial means what? 2 terms should be there. So here binomial of degree 35. 2 terms should be there. So degree 35 means what? Power should be 35. So I will write here x raised to 35 plus 5. So this is an example binomial of degree 35. Next is monomial of degree 100. So here monomial of degree 100. Now monomial means what? Only one term should be there. So one term I will take a. And what is the degree? A raised to power 100. So this is a monomial of degree 100. Question number 4. Write the degree of each of the following polynomials. Degree means highest power of the variable you should observe. Now here in the first example, what is the highest power of the variable? It is 3. So what is the degree of this polynomial? 3. Second example, 4 minus y square. So what is the highest degree of the variable? It is 2. So degree of the polynomial is 2. Next, third example, 5t minus root 7. So this is the variable. What is the power? It is 1. And it is only the highest power. So what is the degree of this polynomial? It is 1. Next example here, variable is not there. So what is the degree of this polynomial? It is 0. Question number 5. Classify the following as linear, quadratic and cubic polynomials. Now what is linear, quadratic and cubic polynomials? Here in the given polynomial you should see the highest degree. If the highest degree is 1, it is known as linear polynomial. If the highest degree is 2, it is known as quadratic polynomial. And if the highest degree is 3, it is known as cubic polynomial. Let us solve some examples. X square plus x, the highest degree is 2. So it is quadratic polynomial. X minus x cube. Here what is the highest degree? It is 3. So it is known as cubic polynomial. Next, y plus y square plus 4. The highest degree is 2. So it is known as quadratic polynomial. 1 plus x. What is your degree? Highest degree? 1. So it is known as linear polynomial. Next, 3t. What is the degree here? 1. So here it is known as linear polynomial. Now here r square, highest degree is 2. So it is known as quadratic polynomial. 7x cube, the highest degree is 3. So it is known as cubic polynomial. If you like this video, please subscribe the channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Bye bye children.